share with you guys another Nykaa haul. So before anyone goes ahead and says sponsored, paid or whatever you wanna, I'll just go ahead and say it. Yes, I am associated with Nykaa. I have been associated with Nykaa for a year now, for over a year now, and I totally absolutely love them. But there's no reason for you guys to get worked about this, simply because I've been doing Nykaa hauls even before Nykaa knew I existed, even before I knew I existed, and by that I mean I did shitty videos. So I've done Nykaa hauls for the longest time now. So it's all cool. I love Nykaa as a company because it's purely beauty based. I don't think there are enough beauty based websites in India as yet. Nykaa is one of the leading websites, and no, I'm not saying this because I'm getting paid to say this. I genuinely feel like that from the bottom of my heart, and also because of the fact they're launching their own line soon. Like, I know all of the insider news and I cannot wait to show you guys all of the amazing makeup products they're gonna come out with soon. They're gonna launch their lipsticks, foundations, everything. I don't think I'm technically qualified to say all of this right now, but SJ fam, be the first, #1. Alright, singing aside, I'm gonna share with you all what I got because the Diwali sale is on and I love their sales. Even if I wasn't associated with them, you guys know I would have shopped because I love shopping and they have some amazing discounts going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead, quickly share with you guys everything that's inside this box, these box. So yeah, I'm gonna open the first one. And we have a lot of new launches as well. So the first thing that I can see and I'm really excited about is this L'Oreal Glam Bronzer. So now this is like a duo thing. So one side is a highlighter and one side is a bronzer or a contour shade because it seems more cool toned, if you can see. So I'm so excited to say this, like finally contouring products are coming to India. Again, another insider news, Maybelline might or might not be launching their own contouring products in this fashion week. That's gonna start from the 12th. Now I have a lot of connections in the makeup world, thankfully, so I know all of these things beforehand. So they're gonna be launching contour products really soon. So I finally think I can probably do like my top 10 contouring products in near future because finally contouring products are coming to India, like thank goodness. So yeah, the first product coming back is the Glam Bronzer. This is still sealed. I have used a lot of stuff, but this just came in today. I still have a few more packages that I'm waiting for, but I'm gonna share this with you first because, you know, sale has just begun, so you can still get your hands on a lot of these things. I don't want these things to go out of stock, and my SJ fam not getting these. So yeah, anyways, this is what the product looks like. Let's move on now. Next up, I have these sugar lipsticks. I love their matte as hell. Are they called? Yes, matte as hell crayons. I have one of the shades from this range, but I was genuinely waiting to get my hands on this one. This is Holy Golightly, and whenever I went to any website, it was always out of stock. So thank you Nykaa for stocking this back up, and it's not coming out. Please, can you come out? And I also love the fact that Sugar gives you know, sharpeners with all of their purchases. That's really thoughtful because, you know, finding a sharpener for every pencil size is very difficult. And I'm glad that they give out a sharpener. So this is finally out and the cap remained inside. Oh, you little, how do I take out the cap? Just little struggles of life. It's not coming out. Come on, thank God it's out. So this is what the shade looks like. It's a beautiful shade. I cannot wait to wear it on my lips. It looks amazing. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the bottom bar for you guys, so you can go ahead and check the original MRP and the discounted MRP because they're gonna be discounts. That's the whole point of it. The second shade I got is Rose Dawson. Taking this out is gonna be a struggle. Let me try. So even this is a pretty everyday nude color. Now this was, I think, in a combo. I got this one in a combo. I have the invoice. Wait, I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. No, these were individually, but I do think that they are available in a set of 2, so you might want to check that out. Then I got this LA Girl Line Art Matte Eyeliner Pen. Now I love eyeliner pens and all of my Maybelline Colossals ran out, so I thought let's try a new brand now because I had about like 4 or 5 Maybelline Colossals, and obviously you guys deserve some variety as well. So I'm just gonna, you know, I'm gonna swatch everything. Then I got this Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is the mini size and this is in the variant Floral and Flirty Blush. Let me try and sniff if I can. It smells sweet, sort of sweet. I haven't used this one, but I've used Batiste dry shampoos. I have their brunette variant and that's really nice. It works really well for me. I got another Batiste dry shampoo I'm going to show you in a while. It's in the other box. Then next we have this NYX Plush Gel Lipstick. Now I honestly believe that even after all of the things that I got from LA, I did not have this lipstick. Like, can you believe it? Even with so many goodies, I did not have this lipstick, so got my hands on it. And this is the shade Sacred Mix. So I got that. Then I got this new launch, I guess. This is the Balm Caress CC Balm Genius, and this is in the shade Summer Sienna. It looks like a beautiful orangish color. And then I got myself a La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo because I ran out of my earlier one. This is like a necessity for me. I use this day in, day out, so yeah, had to get it. This is like my staple, number one, ride or die. With that, we finished box number 1. Now I'm going to move on to box number 2, which is like my weightlifting goals. This is really heavy because this has a lot of stuff. Like a lot of stuff. The first thing that I get into my hands is this Toni & Guy Heat Protection Mist. This again is a repurchase for me. I love this. I use this every single time I'm doing anything that is heat related to my hair, and that's why I run out of it so quickly because so much hair. So yeah, I love this stuff. Just love it. From Toni & Guy, I also got their Glamour Serum Drops. These are high shine glossy drops. Let me open the box up for you guys. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's just so cute. I still haven't tried this, so I gotta give this one a try and see if this actually gives your hair all of the shine and everything. And yeah, obviously if you want to see a review on any of the following stuff, then please comment below. I would love to do reviews for you guys. I have ordered more skincare products, but I think that's going to come in a different package altogether, so I'll share that with you whenever that comes in. So next up, I ordered another Toni & Guy product because I love Toni & Guy for their hair stuff. So I ordered this Nourish Reconstruction Mask. Now I showed all of this on Snapchat, like this particular box. I think I showed all of the products on Snapchat. I'm not really sure again. But yeah, I ordered a hair mask because I love hair masks, but I don't do them that often because I do DIY hair masks mostly. I don't buy hair masks that often. But now that I have one, I'll have to use it. So maybe my hair can gain out of it. So I got that. Then continuing with the hair streak, I got Roots Moroccvita oil. This is what it looks like. I've used it earlier and I've loved it, and that's why I got it. I put in the nozzle and I've used it already. For my blow drying video, I'll leave the link for it in the bottom bar for you guys as well. So yeah, I've used this. I love it. It's really good. Plus they give the pump separately and they also have a cap. So if you want to travel and you don't want this huge bottle, you can just put in the cap and it becomes this much, and you can like store the pump separately, which is a great thing. So I got that. Then for hair again, I got the Batiste dry shampoo. This is the clean and original one. I use the brunette one as I said. So I got this one. Then I have this Calabar Flawless Airbrush Finish Loose Powder. I used it and I feel it's actually very airbrushy on your face. The shade that I have is 001 Beige Fair. This is what it looks like in the tub. The tub is huge and it's actually pretty good. It's a pretty good powder. I use it to bake my under eyes and I really liked it. So yeah, I got that. Then I got the L'Oreal Matte Magique 12 Hour Bright Matte Foundation, and the box was somewhere here. So this is what the box looks like and this is what the packaging looks like. I've used this as well and it gives a pretty nice powdery matte finish to your face. It makes your face feel really smooth and soft, which is again a nice thing, so I like it. Then from L'Oreal, I also got the L'Oreal Paris Spectacular Push-Up Effect Fiber Fall Slash Superstar Mascara. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. So this is the Fall Slash Superstar Mascara. It has a primer on one side and it has a mascara on the other. And do I love it? Yes, I love it, pretty much. This is another new launch in India. L'Oreal has been launching a lot of stuff off lately. And I love this, you guys. This was so good. I tried it on as usual. I generally don't like primers and mascaras together because primers are white, so they tend to like peek through from somewhere or the other. But the mascara in this particular mascara, wow, that sounds wrong. But the mascara here is so jet black, you guys. Like, I love it. It was really nice. My eyelashes looked so full and voluminous and lengthy. And then keeping up with the L'Oreal thing, I also got the L'Oreal Liner Magique. This is again another new launch. I haven't really used this. It's So I'll use it and I'll let you guys know what I feel about it in one or the other video. I'll use it in some or the other video. So yes, I got this. Then I got this skinny shadow stick from Ciate. Ciate is an exclusive brand to Nykaa and they have the most cutest products of all time. Chloe Morello recently collaborated with them, so that's why you guys know it's an amazing brand. So this is what the pencil looks like, shadow stick looks like, and the color is Best Dressed, which is like a very beautiful nude color. It looks really stunning, guys, and it's like a sponge tip applicator, and you just like dip it in here and then you just apply it. The color is stunning. It's very beautiful. Then I got the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. I use this and I feel it's a dupe to a very popular highlighter. I'm not gonna share which highlighter. I'm probably gonna do a dupes video pretty soon. So I'll probably do a dupes video soon wherein I'll share the dupe or the actual product for this one. It's a beautiful shade, makes you look strobed and nice and glowy and everything. So yeah, I really like it. Then I got another new launch. This is the Lakme 95cc Color Transform Cream. So I already have a foundation which is like a transform thing. So it looks white but then it adapts to your skin. I'm really excited to try this out because I'm just generally in life, in general terms, if I see a new product, I'm like, oh, come at me. So yeah, that's what I feel about every new launch in the market. I need help. So anyways, I got the Lakme CC cream and this is in the shade. They only have two shades. This is the shade beige and I think the other shade is named as bronze. So I got that. Dropped something. Then I got the LA Girl Pro BB cream. I got this because Komal from My Happiness recommends this like crazy. She loves it. So obviously I had to get it and I'm in the shade Neutral. So I got that. I haven't still used it. Waiting to use it. The last product and probably the product that I'm like really excited about is this eyeshadow palette from the brand called MIB. Again, I think this is an exclusive brand to Nykaa. Not really sure, but yes, this palette though, I used it. This is what it looks like. It's matte black and it has like MIB written here. I used it. I'm gonna show you the colors first, and if you don't go bonkers, look at those colors. It's a really nice mix of mattes and shimmery shade, and these pans are huge. These pans are huge. I've used a couple of shades from this palette, like the red and the golden, and they're so pigmented. Even the matte shades, they're buttery soft, they're pigmented as hell. The swatches will do more justice than my vocabulary. I believe these eyeshadows are just to die for. They're really pretty. Now Nykaa is the master of giving out pouches. They give out pouches like this and their pouches are so cute. Like look at this one. This is adorable. Like how adorable is this? I love this pouch. I love this pouch so much. So my skincare haul actually came in, so I thought I'll just add this tiny little part into this video itself, and also because I did forget a couple of things while showing it to you guys, while showing my haul to you guys. They were somewhere else because I was using them, and then I realized, oh my gosh, I forgot to show this to you guys. So yeah, finally I'll just go through first the skincare, which is all by Forest Essentials, and then I'll tell you the products, the other products. So Forest Essentials recently launched their Uptons, and they are available I think only in 5 variants. I ordered all 5 of them. So I have the facial Upton in the variant Saundarya, then I have the Upton in the variant Multani Mitti, then I have it in the variant Roop Nikhar Gulab, which translates into brighten your face rose. Face brightening rose should be the proper translation, and Multani Mitti is obviously Fuller's Earth, and Saundarya is beauty. Then we have the Narangi and Nagkesar, which are fruits. So don't ask me which one because my knowledge about kitchen is zero. And lastly we have Tejasvi, which is a flower. So we have all of those variants. I'm actually planning to do a video on multi-masking or multi-masking, however multi is supposed to be pronounced, because things keep changing. Like Pluto was once a planet, then it wasn't, and now it's again. And that's the same with words like education, schedule, multi, vitamin. so it's really confusing for me sometimes. So yeah, I got, basically coming back to the topic, I got these because I want to do a video on multi-masking and share with you guys how to multi-mask. If that's something that you guys would like to see, then comment below. I would love to do it for you guys because I know you guys love skincare, and if you guys love something, I have to love it as well. Now the thing that I forgot to show you, which I was planning to show you in anyways in like a close-up version, but now because I'm recording this, I'm going to show it to you anyways. It's the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick. It's a limited edition Sabyasachi creation with Lakme. Now it's Sabyasachi and it's limited edition. I had to get it. There is no other way to do live, and this is just so gorgeous. Like, look at how gorgeous these shimmer bricks are. There are 4 shades in here and they just look stunning. They're very pigmented. I've used this, so it's extremely pigmented. They're really stunning, guys. It's beautiful. So yes, with that I complete my Nykaa haul, not in the terms of everything I bought because my packages are still on their way. I'll share them with you whenever they come through Snapchat, Instagram, you know that jazz. So you gotta follow me there. All the links are gonna be in the bottom bar. That was a really snazzy way of promoting my own social media. You go, girl! Anyway, so that's my complete haul for now. And I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah! Bye! That was चिकनी कमर पे तेरी मेरा दिल फिसल गया और डार्लिंग तू पहले से कितना बदल गया डा 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 डा. Okay, bye.